A question now. A radar unit is used to measure speeds of cars on a motorway. The speeds are normally distributed with a mean of 90 km per hour and a standard deviation of 10 km per hour. What is the probability that a car picked at random is traveling at more than 100 km per hour? Okay, so very interesting problem. First of all, try to solve the problem on your own before proceeding to the solution, right? Take a pause here, solve the problem, and then proceed ahead. Let us go to the hints. What are the available information that we have? We have mean. It is already mentioned that this is a normally distributed, so we know it's a normal distribution. Mean is 90 kilometers, standard deviation is 10 kilometer. We want to find out what is the probability of x being more than 100 kilometer. So first of all, in a normal distribution, we try to convert any normal distribution to a standard normal distribution. Why do we do that? Because standard normal distributions are because normal distributions themselves are so widely studied that their values have been standardized and computed. So for a standard normal distribution would have a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Any normal distribution can be converted to a standard normal distribution and the values can be directly found. The values of the area present within a particular range of the standard normal is presented as a standard normal table. We'll see that table as well. So we first compute the standard normal z corresponding to x. Here we have x as 100 kilometer. So standard normal would be 100 minus the mean 90 divided by the sigma 10. So 100 minus 90 is 10, 10 by 10 is 1. So z is 1. We have to find probability of z greater than 1 or the total area greater than z equal to 1, where in this chart if you look at this normal distribution, this is a standard normal distribution, the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. We have to find the green port marked area, right? So on the right you have a standard normal table which can be read as the values of z or the area contained between the mean 0 and the value of z. For example, here we are getting the area z of z equal to 1, which is 0.3413. If we go to the row where 1 is there, we see the value is 0.3413, which is marked as orange. We have to find out the area of the green region. So how can we find? We know that the total area is 1. If we subtract the area of this orange region and this white region on the left, to the left of mean 0, right, we would have the area which we have to subtract from 1, right? Hope this makes sense. So let us see, the total area is 1. The area between the mean 0 and z equal to 1 is 0.3413. The area to the left of the mean 0 is zero point 0.5 because the normal distribution is symmetric. So we will get the final area of z greater than 1, which would be our probability. Hope that makes sense and gives you a very clear picture of how normal distribution and why standard normal distribution.